made mention, they ended number 6 last 2 teams. It's going to be a long and exciting day para sa V-League for today. Again, LPU, they have to make the adjustment right now.
Ang bilis ng kamay ni Paul.
And it's creating a lot of confusion para sa LPU. Let's see, they all Poyos, the way she would do it.
Si Poyos, the way that she approaches the...
Mula pa high school ay preparado na daw siya sa level ng collegiate play and she's eager to be put to test in this match versus this strong UAAP team in UST.
We made a lot of things happening the right way for USC, especially in the first set. It's back on the floor. Poyo. Tulang medyo langanin din yung set para sa kanya. Oh, yun nga lang. Ito, tinuloy-tuloy na.
Sa di Poyos. Look at this. That setup was really near the net, but Poyos was faster than Tulang in that sequence.
2.
Nice.
Over is...
And what a push by Poyos. Not much energy ang inexhaust niya doon.
Made and adjusted here for UST, although they're just 3 points away to close out. Sabi niya kay Poyos, tapusin na muna natin. Oh, Burisita Regalo, US.
Out of position, Petalio. Angge! Wala pang blocker. Miranda, Petalio again. Cassie, Poyos! That is the attack of the set. Jiangnan, hot pot attack. Hot pot ba?
Finals games yun. Tapos, ngayon, we had to have a very good supporting role for our seniors.
Oh my goodness!
That was Poyos!
That was the Jiangnan hot pot attack. Hot pot ba? Attack na sa Jiangnan. Coming from Mbanagwa. In this set alone, Poyos! And remember when he had Wiprel Tapia, of course, Sherian Rondina first. Wiprel Tapia now...
online man or dito sa Paco Arena filled with...
Poyos is catching fire. Not a good reception by Escobar. Poyos, niligpit na. One more point.
Oh, yun lang naging regalo.
Kay coach, oh, yan, first ball na yan.
6-3 when it comes to attacks. Still this dangerous USC and an ace. 13-14. It's Carvalho. Surely she would want to make up for it. That save. Free ball ng Lady Blazers. Ito si Angge Poyos.
Ang bilis niyang mag-adjust. Tingnan mo yun. Nandun na yung blockers pero linihis niya yung tira niya, oh.
Hindi ko lang may panap talaga tinatapatan niya na eh.
Nice serve!
Oh, it's an ace!
Blazers in that set. But what a serve.
At yan ang ating grab ace of... Makarecover ka agad ang UST, no?
Oo, mabilis.
Wala sila yatang ano eh. Oh, lamang pa ngayon. With ang game.
Oo, sa kanya.
Look at this Jiangnan attack of the set. Hot pot ba? Attack na sa Tus pa. Grabe naman.
Oh, wow!
It's an ace! Falling apart.
Parang iniwasan nila yung bola there.
Ace sa atin. Maika Go. So right there. Oh, she got the line. Let's see here, dancing again. Pero there was the readiness from UST. Pero Jiangnan attack of the set. Hot pot ba? Attack na. Just in case may umabot tayo ng sabihin natin match number 3 from more of her teammates. Angge Poyos.
Like Poyos, third set.
I know, and look at that.
Merong Jean Assis, meron ding Jean Ossis.
Ayan pa. She has done her homework.
And they're both medals.
Abot na tayo ngayon dito sa ating. Ito, papasok na tayo ng home stretch. This set number 3. Yung mga reaction, yung narinig ko, mga sigaw ng mga tao rito. Ang pinild. Angge Poyos. And how do you like this? Straight sets, back in game 1, managing to do repeat.
Here's Lopez. Carvalho, combination play. Angge Poyos sends UST. Almost getting that one through. Defense of FEU holding through. Oh, wow. Angge Poyos.
Yung first 6, halos kalahati ng first 6, may award.
And even in the UAAP, they're all recognized. Here's the reigning Rookie of the Year sa UAAP. Lopez again. Perdido. Carvalho getting it over to Angge Poyos again. 3 points in a row. So it is 3-0 in favor of UST and 4-0 now is Angge. Petalio. Aangat sa kabila. Poyos off the block. Lopez dug up by Pepito. That's a little near for Poyos, but she doesn't care. Angge Poyos has tied it up. Here for the Lady Tamaraws, Anna. They'll go to Poyos, and Poyos goes to town. This is the UST rather. This is a 6-1 run for the Golden Tigresses.
Kanina kasi napako sila. Tapos nagising.
Nagising si Poyos. Eliarina.
Pumalo din, bumuelo.
One hand set. Poyos in trouble. Pepito sending it back to Angge. Brought down the line is good. And even... Ang pilis talaga eh. I mean, chance for UST. Combination play again. Poyos. Marga Encarnacion is there. Petalio. Inabol ni Poyos. Altea does the setting now for Poyos. And even Altea gets Angge Poyos to the MVP.
She's the MVP.
They'll go to Poyos. Sinubo na ni Poyos sa blockers. Kept alive by Encarnacion. Carvalho. Poyos again. Habol. Hinabol na. Everybody cleared out for the FEU bench. Jurado. Bacante. Jurado off the block. Bacante. Poyos. Palakasan ba ikamo? Sabi niya kay Poyos, kaya ko yan. Ganda nung umalis lahat ng occupants ng bench ng FEU para lang maabutan nila. Again, Devosora gets it across. Combination play, Poyos. That is off the block of Anda. Who does she choose? Goes to Loresco. Carvalho, galing likod. Poyos!
Hindi mo pwede.
Oh, Perdido couldn't get it though. They'll go to the back for Poyos. Backwards, just like this. For our Jiangnan attack of the set. Hatpat ba? Attack na sa...
Ilalim.
Carvalho tries another magic trick. Encarnacion gives up another sky ball. Pepito. Carvalho chooses Poyos. Cross-court is good.
So the same can happen to UST with that, incident with Arasan.
And again, Poyos is the fire extinguisher.
Also difficult if walang defense yung kakampi mo. Pero kung may atake ka na gano'n. Puntos for Poyos. Gano'n.
Anything